Now, superintendents in the Hudson Valley are asking the state to consider some major changes to COVID protocols in our schools. That would include making more tests and vaccines available and setting guidelines when masks would not be mandatory. Eric Feldman joins us now with some of those details. Eric.
Gianna, this is a 4-page document that was sent to the State Department of Health, and I really can't stress this enough. These are proposals that the superintendents would like the state to adopt.
More mental health resources, weekly PCR testing, more school vaccine sites.
We've definitely been hearing from parents is that it is very difficult to get access to booster shots.
Superintendents in Westchester, Rockland, Dutchess, and Putnam counties released a series of suggestions on changes they'd like to see to school COVID protocols across New York State. The letter is written by Rye School Superintendent Eric Byrne, the president of the Lower Hudson Council of School Superintendents.
It's coupled with our experience managing throughout the pandemic.
Included in that, the superintendents call for the state to come up with a formula for schools to ease mask mandates, such as making them optional if a school hits benchmarks in vaccine rate, weekly testing, and positivity rate.
We are superintendents of schools. We are not epidemiologists, and we want to rely on the experts in the science, but we believe that if you put a goal out there, that our communities will step up and work toward achieving those goals.
One Yonkers parent would support this plan.
I don't know how much it protects them, especially if they're vaccinated.
Christina Rosado, a teacher in the Bronx, says she could back it, but wasn't as sure.
It sounds like it makes you a little nervous.
Well, it does, because I know having a mask does contain some of your germs back to you, and we know flu rates have been lower.
On its website, the CDC says COVID-19 spread can be lower in schools when there's a multi-layered prevention strategy, like disinfecting, testing, and enhanced ventilation. But then again, tonight, the CDC just recommended Americans upgrade their masks to N95s or KN95s.
And when it comes to those recommendations made by those Hudson Valley superintendents, that will be up to the State Department of Health. We reached out to them for comment, haven't heard anything back at this time, but what we have done for you is we put that 4-page document with those recommendations on our website so you can look at it at your leisure. In Yonkers, Eric Feldman, News 12.